It's really easy. Sugars can be found in three parts of the label. The first one is the ingredient list. This will list in the order of the amount that's used in the product, ingredients that contain sugars, so that might be fruits or vegetables. It will also include the sugars that might be used in the manufacture of the process. The second area where you can find sugars is on the nutritional information label. That lists the total sugars that are present in the product, and you'll see them under carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates of which sugars includes all the sugars that are present in the product, whether they are present in the ingredients, for example fruits or vegetables, or whether they are used in the manufacture of the product. The third area where you can find information about sugars is front of pack, where you will have either a reference intake table or a traffic light. The traffic light will give you a reference to the amount of sugars that are present in a product as a percentage of your reference intake, and would also include a red, amber or green traffic light to tell you the amounts that are in the products. Sugars can never be hidden in foods and drinks. If you remember what we said in the previous discussion, you can find sugars listed in three parts on your product label. Firstly, as part of the ingredient list. Secondly, in the nutrition information panel. And thirdly, as a percentage of the reference intake on the front of pack. Total sugars can be found in the nutritional information panel. This is typically on the back of the product pack. Carbohydrates, of which sugars, refers to all the sugars that are in the product, whether they are present in the ingredients that you use, whether they're fruits and vegetables, also used in the manufacturing or cooking process. All the sugars are declared as sugars. As we previously discussed, sugars are present on the nutritional information panel are carbohydrates of which sugars. This refers to total sugars. Those total sugars include the sugars that are present in the ingredients, whether they're from fruits and vegetables. They are those used by the manufacturer. It's not possible to separate out the different, what people refer to sometimes as added sugars. The sugars are used in the manufacturing. They also combine to give you colour and flavour. You get different reactions. So what you see on the nutritional information panel is in fact the total sugars that are present in the product as you purchase it. And therefore it's not possible to separate out the so-called added sugars from those that are present within the ingredients or used in the manufacturing process.